you've had an amazing career that spans over 40 years, and I'm curious, as you look back during those 40 years of nutrition research and investigations, can you point to one specific area that you feel has been the most influential?
Well, I think perhaps most broadly, and it's hard to hold a Harvard professor to one answer, but just in fact, the establishing that we are able to study diet and long-term health outcomes has been perhaps most important, because when we got started in this work, many people said it was just impossible. Diet was too complicated and the studies would take too long. But I was naive enough to take on this challenge, and it's I must say, what we've learned has been far beyond my expectations. It's been amazing to see that so many aspects of diet are important to so many health outcomes. If I had to pick out one of the specific findings, it probably would be the relationship between trans fat and cardiometabolic disease. Trans fat was not on the radar screen of nutritionists when we began this work back in the late 1970s. And when we first showed that trans fat was a strong risk factor for heart disease, there was huge pushback, not just from industry, but even from people in the prevention and academic communities, because it was thought to be a distraction from saturated fat. But the evidence has continued to mount. Obviously, it takes confirmation by other people and our repeated confirmation in our own studies. It's been nice to see that be taken all the way to warning labels and changes in nutrition facts and reductions by about 50% of the trans fat in NHANES survey analyses of blood from the country, about an almost an elimination of trans fat from the national food supply, and it will be eliminated in a couple of years. And and perhaps most satisfying, we actually are seeing diabetes rates start to go down now by about 20%. That's probably both due to reduction in sugar-sweetened soda, but also almost surely the reduction in trans fat has been contributing to that as well. So the end product that we want to see is healthier people.